And what's also very interesting in South Korea is that you have in almost every city a small store. It's not directly a convenience store, but it's a small store like this one. And you just can enter it 24/7. You have like some cold drinks in here. You have some snacks like some instant burgers or some wraps. You have ice cream, a lot of ice cream. Really a lot of ice cream. Another box with ice cream. Another box with ice cream. Then you have like chocolate, some cookies, a lot of snacks. And sometimes they also have like small stuff for cats or for dogs. And there is of course a self-paid service, and you also have like a small sitting area. That's what I really love. Of course you have like 7-Eleven, GS25 and Nice to See You, but in smaller areas there are often stores like this, and you can just buy something and sit there and just relax, take a break, and that's so awesome. And also you don't need staff, so it's self-payment. You just grab the things, and it's a store that runs 24/7 for people, so it's very good. I've seen a lot of big and crazy parks here in South Korea, but I think this one is one of the craziest I've seen. You have like a big sports stadium in the back, and yeah, got a very fancy and cool design. I don't know what's been played here, but looks very cool. And when you go to the other side, right this way, then here on the right you have a lot of people playing mini golf and normal golf. And it's a very big place. There are a lot of people and a lot of fields where you can play. On the left you have a playground for kids. You have a lot of tennis fields, and you can play tennis the whole day. You also have like an outdoor gym over here. Look how huge this mini golf field is. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it goes nearly to the end of the park on the other side. And you have a small river, and the atmosphere of the whole park is very cool because you also have like those big skyscrapers in the back, and it looks very cool. There are also some restaurants and coffee stores in this area, so if you want just to relax a day and enjoy the beautiful weather, no matter in which city you are, just go into a park. Often those cities are loud and a lot of people are there, but when you go into a park like this, you just have these calm moments. I'm gonna show you what you get for $40 a night here near the airport in Incheon, South Korea. For those who don't know, Incheon is a city near Seoul, and the airport of the region is in Incheon. So you come into the room, then you have like a small pre-room with a bathroom sink and a mirror. Then you have the main room, which is pretty big and spacious. You have like a little desk or sitting area for working. You have a TV, and then you have another sitting area over here with a table and 2 seats. And also you have on the wall 2 big mirrors. So here is a mirror, and over the bed there is also a mirror. Then you have something where you can put on your clothes, and also you have the bathroom directly over here, and it looks pretty beautiful as well. You have a shower, then you have like a big bathtub, and of course you have a normal toilet. So I think it's very big. You have enough room and space for yourself if you just want to relax a bit. And of course it's perfect for one night before your flight is going. It's near the airport. I think you have to take the train for like 30 minutes, and then you're at the airport. So perfect place for just one night.